Brian did a amazing disc gut trade, as he says. He bought right at 28. Boom, boom. All right. Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. What a so it's been few. It's this week. The gappers watch this doesn't give us a lot of opportunity, but the market actually gives us a lot of really good opportunity. So today I had a really good day, thanks to Apple, Baba, AMC, and TQQ. Is just I survived now. So I had a really solid day, really good P&L. Plus I still have a couple of positions right now. I have some TQQ. That we got a bounce from the 142 level, and we're going to talk about what happened exactly today. So let's start from Baba, because I think Baba was the trade of the day for me. So Baba was gapping up. Chinese market was kind of recovering, and I tried to it was strong at the pre-market and then sold off, but at the open it really came up above the VWAP, and I took the trade for 1 minute opening range breakup. That's my bread and butter. It was really setting up nicely for 1 minute opening range breakup. It was gapping down, claimed the VWAP, and it was ready. So I went long at 131 and then suddenly dropped, and I got stopped out. And I'm glad I got stopped out, because you never know, these stocks can go really down. Like the perfect example is AMC and GME today, that we're going to get into that. And then it came back up, claimed the VWAP. I started to take the trade to the long side from 130 and all the way up to, I think, 134 or something. We went there. Let me bring this one back here. Yeah, so as soon as it came back up, turned out to be a 5 minute open range breakup on an engulfing pattern. I went long. I actually added more on the way up too. So at 132, and we went all the way up to 134 that I got out the last piece at 134. And obviously after that, I got stopped out at the break-even point. So I think that was one of the best trade that I did, and that was just very reasonable and very nicely done. Then AMC and the GME was gapping up. GME is the meme stock. AMC and GME last year around this time, they were the big shortest squeeze, but both GME really sold off, and it was really up like 25% in the pre-market, sold off. I never traded that because it never really set up anything for me. It really never set up a 1 minute opening range breakup. It did set up some sort of opening range breakdown, but I just didn't like the fact that the stock was so gapping up, and I really didn't want to mess around with the very strongest stock. Apple broke a high of the day, and I scalped Apple I think twice. Both of them got out too early. One was the break of high of the day here, and then another one that was a very nice ABCD pattern. I got out. Brian talked me out of it. And that's pretty much it. AMC also was AMC was also 1 minute open range breakup that I got out and came back up, and we Jared and I got this squeeze again from 23 to 24. That was also a really nice one, and after that it just became really messy. But for me, traded of the day was Baba opening range breakup. Brian did a amazing disc gut trade, as he says. He bought right at 28. Boom, boom. And you say
that was a
Brian,
920. The 920. Well, actually, I got into the trade on the breakout. So it did that little breakout and then pull back at the open, almost a couple minutes in. Well, even before that, I got in before that. on almost right at the open, right when it popped up and then pulled back. And then had a nice long through there, and then did that 920 trade, which is one of my trade book trades, where it fails the 9, holds a 20, and then pop back up, and then I scalped it again through the whole number. But it was turned into a good. Disco was my main money making stock today.
Yeah, excellent. So that's a really nice one. Yeah, I did really another 920 trade at 10:44, so popped up. So that was really interesting. And so that's pretty much it. So and then we go to TQQ. Market started selling off. I mean, it was strong at the open, but suddenly, the panic selling. It's been a few days that this panic selling starts in the evening. TQQ started selling off. I was watching TQQ. to get a bounce from it. I got a little bit too early on TQQ, unfortunately. You know, I know that QQQ has a couple of really good support around T377. I got a little bit too early in there, and I just added on 2 accounts. Eventually get the bounce exactly like around 377. I wish I was actually more patient to get this 142.75 level. I really shouldn't have gone long here, but now we got a really, really nice bounce around here. So it was just a couple of ads, but I went small and I kind of full size around this area. Actually, I went on two different accounts because I was so confident that it's gonna go. So I really wanted to capitalize on both accounts. So this is gonna probably bounce, but I should have really waited until to get this daily support. This is the support that back in December really Q's protected this region. So we'll see how it goes. I think we're gonna get a couple of bounce, maybe around to 145, and then I can get out of it completely. So Brian is gonna come to the office. We're gonna do the after hours with traders. We're gonna be exciting. IWM week was strong at the open, but now just weak. Let's see what IWM is doing. Obviously not doing really well in terms of swing for me, but we'll see how it goes. I'm kind of stuck on that, so we'll see how it goes. And Brian, anything from you?
No, that's it. Everybody have a good weekend. Make sure you journal your trades, go over your trades on the weekend. And yeah, check us out on when we post our video.
Excellent. Thank you so much, guys, and have
All
a
right.
good day. Yeah, talk to you soon.
Cheers. Bye now.